imagine the plight of manholes located elsewhere, which can be virtual death traps. You get this type of question in your mind when you see these open manholes in the basement of the utility building that is located in the heart of the city on MG Road.
This manhole at the heavily frequented utility building in MG Road has been lying without a cover for the last 6 months, but no one seems to bother. The utility building is managed by the BBMP and it only reflects the short-sightedness of the corporation body. Hundreds of people walk into this building for a host of reasons, and it's a matter of time for a serious accident to surface. There is very little light in the basement, and most people will miss noticing the open manhole.
ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ 1000 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋ ಜಾಗ ಇದು. BBMP ಕಡೆನೇ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದು ಅವರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಚರಂಡಿಗಳು, ಹಲವಾರು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಹೋಲ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರಿಂದ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಜನರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದು.
Every year, a whopping sum of 20 lakh rupees is spent on the maintenance of the utility building. Already, 2 visitors have fallen into the hellhole and injured themselves. A big stone has been kept near the manhole to alert people. Yet, a cover seems to be too costly for the BBMP to afford.
Actually, this particular building is owned by corporation. Okay. But at the same time, the people, those are working here, they're not working properly. Actually, the complaint, we should not complain. We should not give your complaint. When they're having that servicing, they have to do all that, sir. I'm coming here daily. One fellow, actually, that student, he has fallen down one day. I saw. Okay, then he went to hospital. I don't know what happened next.
No one knows how the BBMP will take care of the city when it's not able to take care of its own self. How can we expect the BBMP to close all the uncovered manholes in the city when it is so abysmally blind? Venkat Raman, News 9.